The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Well, good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. Have a look at this beautiful picture that Scott Abernethy captured over this weekend. On Saturday, we had a couple of rain showers, and out in Appomattox, some of you guys saw a rainbow. Now, how this happens is the sun has to be behind you and it has to be raining out in the distance in front of you. So that way the sunlight can then refract out off of the raindrops and then reflect back to you. So that's how we see some of the rainbows that form across some of the region, and we could see some later on this afternoon, even into tomorrow and into parts of Wednesday. If you have a picture as beautiful as this, you can go to WSLS.com/pennant to submit it and possibly see it here on air or online at WSLS.com. Look at the sky cam this morning. Beautiful sunrise occurring once again. Partly cloudy conditions out there. It's a little bit mild of a start this morning as temperatures are in the lower 40s to upper 30s across the board. A couple of cool spots, 32, a couple of warm spots, about 45 degrees. But nonetheless, planning your day today, starting off right about the 40-degree mark. So cool, but not cold. We'll be warming up throughout the rest of this morning. By 10 a.m., we're already into the 50s, and then this afternoon, we're into the 60s, and there is a shot of some isolated showers. Here's just how warm we get across your neck of the woods in the NRV and the Highlands, 60 to 62 degrees. Roanoke and Southside about 65, and then Lynchburg rounding us off at about 66. I think a couple spots could get a little bit warmer than 66. Future tracker showing partly cloudy skies and then a couple of rain showers by about lunch hour for parts of the NRV, even getting into parts of the Highlands and the Roanoke Valley. By 3 p.m., our winds shift from out of the southwest to more out of the south. So then we get these combining of winds here right across Lynchburg and Southside. So we could see a couple of showers pop up, possibly a few storms and some heavier pockets of rain. But nonetheless, after that, right around sunset, we'll start to clear up and then we'll turn partly cloudy. Then tomorrow we do it all over again, but it's a little bit earlier this time. Scattered showers enter the region by 7 a.m. Then we have a couple of hours of some partly cloudy skies. Then we turn mostly cloudy. Then the rain takes over and we'll have scattered showers throughout the afternoon. Then we're clear through basically the rest of the evening. There's a few light lingering showers, but the bigger storm starts to build through on our Wednesday. So this is a pretty strong front, really warm air ahead of this. Notice we're in the 60s today. We're in the 60s tomorrow. We're pushing 70 on Sunday. There's really cold air behind this. So there's a large temperature gradient. So there's a lot of fuel. There's a lot of moisture. There's a lot of difference in air masses with this front. So we'll likely see some storms embedded in some of the rain that passes through the region on Wednesday. Because of that, our winds are going to turn gusty on Wednesday with some of those storms, and especially after the cold front passes, we'll have winds near 40 miles per hour at times. This same system is also going to be bringing some severe weather to parts of the upper plains, for parts or the upper Midwest rather, and for parts of the plains. Missouri all the way up to Michigan under a level 2 out of 5 for some severe weather. But as for rounding off your forecast and your Monday, we're warm today with a couple of showers capping off around 3 p.m. with temperatures getting into the 60s. And that theme continues for the next several days as we're in the 60s. Then Thursday, we have a break from the rain and temperatures cool off significantly.